can be a very lonely experience. At Face Reality, we want to show that you are not alone. We are invested in the health and clarity of your skin, so you may go forth with confidence. Did you know that more than 60 million Americans suffer from some form of acne breakout, and that clogged pores compromise more than 25% of all visits to the dermatologist? Of course, acne affects more than 80% of teenagers at some time in their lives. But acne is not just a teen concern. Acne has become a full-fledged epidemic among adults, especially women. Acne is not just a cosmetic issue, but a condition that is both physical and emotional. Face Reality understands the emotional toll of acne and uses premium products and advanced techniques to clear your skin in as little as 3 to 4 months. What is acne? Acne is an inherited disorder of the pores. Pores that shed dead skin cells much faster than normal. Normal pores shed about 1 layer of dead skin cells per day inside the pore. The acne-prone pore sheds up to 5 layers of dead skin cells per day, which is an impossible rate for the body to keep up with. The accelerated shedding forms a microcomedone, otherwise known as the beginning of all acne. Microcomedones can take up to 90 days to transform into blackheads or congestion beneath the surface of the skin. If bacteria are present, it will feed on dead skin cells and oil, causing the microcomedone to turn into inflamed pimples, pustules, and even cysts. The Face Reality difference. The Face Reality Clear Skin System will have your acne under control in about 3 to 4 months, depending on your type of acne. However, some types of acne may take longer to clear. We combine a powerful regimen of clinical-grade products that are customized for your type of acne with a series of bi-monthly treatments. We also teach you about other aggravating factors that make you break out: foods, medications, cosmetics, stress, and common ingredients in skincare formulations that might be clogging your pores. Even professional and prescription products are not always acne safe. Many other skincare lines only focus on products, while we focus on the entire lifestyle. Face Reality's 90% success rate is possible because we address lifestyle factors that can trigger acne, and we customize and update your skincare routine over time. Your skin adapts and changes during treatment, so the products you'll use will need adjusting as well. Process for getting clear. Our acne products and treatments will prohibit new acne from forming that would usually surface within the 90-day acne cycle. That is not to say that you will not experience some level of purging or breaking out. This is both a normal and expected step during the process. Face Reality products actively treat acne at the surface level, as well as bringing up whatever potential lesions are forming beneath the surface. Your acne specialist will customize a home care regimen that takes at least 5 factors into consideration: your type of acne, skin type, skin color, skin sensitivity, and environment. Your acne specialist will act as your skincare coach and will be there every step of the way on your journey to clear skin. After assessing your skin, the acne specialist will be able to give you an individual estimate of how long it may take to achieve a clear complexion. What's expected of you? Your results depend on your commitment to our Clear Skin program. To ensure success, it is important that you follow your acne specialist's instructions precisely and are dedicated to the program. You must commit to the following: your custom home care regimen twice daily, treatments and/or assessment from your esthetician every 2 weeks, home care adjustments, consistent adjustments to boost your home care regimen, lifestyle adjustments, foods, medications, cosmetics, stress, and pore clogging ingredients in skin and hair products. Your progress will be closely monitored by an acne specialist who will make sure you have the best regimen for your skin, adjusting if necessary to get your skin healthy and clear in the fastest, most sustainable way possible. What are adjustments to home care? We assess your skin every 2 weeks to see if we can increase the strength of the regimen. While we do not want your skin to get used to product, we also do not want to make the regimen so strong that your skin gets dry and irritated. This method will allow your skin to continue clearing without compromising the health of your skin. It is important to know that if adjustments are not made, progress may stall. If you're unable to come in for a treatment, you must contact your specialist to receive your next set of instructions for home care adjustment. Lifestyle habits that affect acne. One of the most important aspects to establishing clear skin will be following lifestyle guidelines instructed by your acne specialist. There are everyday lifestyle habits that affect acne, though you may not be aware of them. Be sure to follow these guidelines. Do not use fabric softener in the washer and/or the dryer. No dryer sheets. The waxy residue gets on your pillowcases, towels, washcloths, and sheets that have direct contact with the skin. The residue will clog pores of acne-prone individuals. If you want something to stop static cling in your dryer, you can get anti-static balls. Detergents with fragrance can cause skin irritation. It's best to use fragrance-free. No water softeners. There's some evidence that water softeners can lead to acne, especially those containing high amounts of potassium chloride. Swimming pool disinfectants contain iodides and chlorine, which can remain in the water, causing skin problems for frequent swimmers. If you're a swimmer, we advise applying a thin layer of Vaseline before you get into the pool. After applying a generous amount of sunscreen, apply a thin layer of Vaseline or Aquaphor to acne-prone areas. Always wear your sunscreen, even if it's overcast and/or raining. Although sun exposure causes desirable scaling and drying, it also damages the follicle, exacerbates dark spots, and causes skin cancer as well as premature aging. Beware of hand lotions. If you are using a comedogenic hand lotion and then leaning your face on your hands or sleeping on your hands, this could contribute to your acne. If you have breakouts around your mouth area, you'll need to be cautious about the products you're using on your lips and mouth. Many lip balms, toothpaste, and even facial tissues have comedogenic ingredients in them. If you see breakouts around your mouth area, this is possibly why. We recommend Vaseline or Aquaphor for a lip balm and toothpaste without SLS, sodium lauryl sulfate. Also, many well-known tissue brands are infused with pore clogging ingredients. Absolutely no picking or squeezing. Instead, rub ice on pustules and pimples for a couple of minutes twice a day. If you pick, squeeze, and break the skin, that scab will leave a red or dark mark that will be there for months, making your skin look much worse than if you left it alone. Your acne specialist will tell you exactly when to use ice in your customized skincare routine. Avoid low estrogen birth control pills. Low-dose pills are higher in androgen hormones that can make acne-prone skin worse. Provera, Depo-Provera shots, most IUDs like Mirena, Skyla, and Liletta can be a problem. Also, the Nuvo ring can cause breakouts. Progesterone hormone replacement, Premarin, can also be risky. If you have polycystic ovaries, they will cause hormonal changes and breakouts. Drugs like cannabis, cocaine, meth, and speed are a problem for acne, as are steroids. Many prescription drugs are problematic as well. If you have any further questions or concerns regarding drug usage, your acne specialist can provide a document with extra information. Comedogenic ingredients. Your esthetician will provide you a list of ingredients to avoid in all skincare, acne care, makeup, and hair products. Never put anything on your skin or hair without checking the ingredients first. Even if the label reads, won't clog pores or non-comedogenic, the FDA does not regulate comedogenicity, which enables skincare companies to make inaccurate claims on their labels. You must always check the ingredient list. When checking the product for comedogenicity, keep in mind that the ingredient name must be an exact match on the list your specialist provides for you. Many ingredients look alike. Be careful. For example, glyceryl stearate is safe, while its close cousin glycerylstearate SE is not safe. Natural oils can be some of the worst offenders, like cocoa butter and coconut oil, which are found in many organic skincare lines. Other oils such as jojoba, olive, and lanolin are mildly comedogenic and can be a problem if formulated with other comedogenic ingredients. Some prescription products, like the cream form of Retin-A, have pore cloggers. No product should be considered safe until you have checked the ingredients. Nutrition. Everything you put in your body is directly reflected in the health and appearance of your skin. Your acne specialist may ask you to make changes to your diet. They'll give you a guideline to follow that highlights some adjustments to make to your diet. We're not asking you to eliminate foods or food groups completely. However, we do suggest you cut back or moderate some food types that have been proven to be a problem for most acne sufferers. Iodides. Iodides are integral to many functions of the body. It is only when excess of iodides is consumed that it becomes an issue. When there is an excess of iodides, it is exerted through the sweat glands. This causes irritation in the pores, inevitably leading to acne flare-ups. Salt is a household staple. Make sure to use an uniodized salt. Salt is not the only iodide source you need to be aware of. It's in your best interest to cut back on all dairy products, including milk, yogurt, ice cream, and cheese, as they are common acne triggers. Dairy presents not just an iodide component, as it also has a hormonal component that poses a problem for acne. Instead of cow's milk, opt for almond, coconut, and rice milk, in addition to nut-derived cheese products. We'll also ask you to leave behind whey and soy protein powders or bars, in addition to all soy products. Green drinks like spirulina, chlorella, and blue-green algae can also be acne triggers and should be avoided. Kelp contains the highest level of iodides. Miso soup is made out of kelp broth, therefore it should be avoided. Luckily, there are many delicious alternatives to all of these items. Did you know almost all vitamins have some form of iodides in them? Whether it is iodides, iodine, potassium iodides, or kelp, those should be avoided. Additionally, vitamins commonly contain biotin and or B12, which are known to cause breakouts and aggravate acne. Androgens. Androgen hormones are yet another integral part of the functioning human body. This hormone plays a large role in regulating the skin's oil production. Like iodides, an excess of this hormone can create an imbalance or excess sebum production. Peanuts, including all byproducts, canola oil, shellfish, and organ meats, pate for instance, are all high in androgens. You'll want to opt for almond or cashew butter and use olive or coconut oil. We suggest avoiding all shellfish. Instead, opt for freshwater fish, including lake trout, bass, and catfish. Fatty fish, that is wild, not farmed, such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, herring, whitefish, and anchovies are great options too. Inflammation. In addition to iodides and androgens, there are several foods that are known to cause inflammation. Foods high in trans fat, like microwave popcorn and desserts, excess sugar and omega-6 oils, most vegetable oils, cause inflammation and should be avoided. Supportive foods and beverages. Although there are plenty of foods to avoid or reduce, there are even more foods and beverages that we encourage you to consume. Foods like Ceylon cinnamon, apple cider vinegar, and green tea, especially matcha, are considered supportive. Those of us that are prone to acne are generally lower in antioxidants, so it's important to get antioxidant support from foods high in vitamins A, C, and E, including fruits and vegetables, dark leafy greens, sweet potatoes, onions, garlic, celery, lettuce, and squashes. Additionally, selenium plays an important role in the health of your immune system. This antioxidant helps lower oxidative stress in your body, which reduces inflammation and enhances immunity. Foods high in selenium include Brazil nuts, pinto beans, halibut, wild-caught salmon, oats, navy beans, chicken, and spinach. Given that inflammation causes acne, choosing foods that reduce inflammation is crucial. Anti-inflammatory foods include turmeric, ginger, green tea, especially matcha, Ceylon cinnamon, foods high in vitamin B3, cremini mushrooms, tuna, chicken breast, fish, halibut, salmon, sardines, leafy greens, and asparagus. Opting for foods that are anti-inflammatory omega-3 sources are also great options. These include fatty fish, salmon, sardines, Atlantic mackerel, anchovies, herring, whitefish, omega-3 enriched eggs, walnuts, deep leafy greens such as spinach, kale, watercress, blueberries, hemp seeds, mustard seed, Brussels sprouts, winter squash, and navy beans. All of these supportive foods and beverages perform several beneficial functions, such as antioxidant boosting and anti-inflammatory assistance. As a general rule of thumb, a well-balanced, low glycemic diet can support all aspects of health, including your skin. Supplements. Supplements can be extremely helpful when recovering from acne. Your esthetician may recommend one or more of the following based on your type of acne. Zinc monomethionine. As opposed to the topical usage of zinc oxide that is in many sunscreens, this type of zinc works internally as an anti-inflammatory. Many people with acne have low levels of zinc in their body. Supplementing with zinc has been shown to reduce the severity of cysts and inflamed lesions. Think of zinc as your first line of anti-inflammatory defense. Omega-3 fish oils. Fish oil is another great anti-inflammatory defense, but it also works to alter sebum production. Sebum is a vital substance secreted by your skin's sebaceous glands, but overproduction is an issue for acne-prone skin. Not all fish oils are created equally. Exercise caution. Make sure you purchase a molecularly distilled or pharmaceutical-grade supplement. You can be assured that the product is safe if the total serving amounts to 1,000 to 1,700 milligrams, and that the ratio of EPA to DHA is 2:1. Probiotics. This type of bacteria is vital for the health of the digestive tract and skin. Probiotics can be especially helpful for those who have been on long-term antibiotics, oral and topical. These good bacteria defend your body from pathogenic, bad bacteria and can help limit breakouts. Whew, that was a lot of information to absorb. But don't worry, your acne specialist will send you home with an acne information packet, which includes all of the information discussed in this video. Rest easy knowing that your acne specialist will be there with you every step of the way. As with all changes, you will need time to acclimate, and that's okay. Now, let's leave acne in the past and look forward to your bright future.